Hi guys, Jen here. Time for lip tip number 2. Do you really need 3 layers of lip sense? The answer is yes. Want to know why? Keep watching. So layer number 1. Layer number 1 is going to adhere to your lip, right? It's the first one. So you have nothing and you have clean, dry lips, so like we learned in tip number 1 yesterday, and you put your first layer on, that's going to bond to your lip. Well, your body has natural pH levels, and depending on your pH level, your color will break down at a specific speed. It just depends on you. Your body will naturally metabolize that color. Layer 1 can get broken down by the body. I'm going to skip layer number 2 for right now. We'll come back to that. Layer 3. Layer 3 is exposed to the elements. It's exposed to your food, saliva. It's what touches things. When you touch your face, you kiss your babies. This part can break down by the environment. Layer 1 can break down from your body. Layer 3 can break down from your environment. Layer 2 is the magic layer. Layer 2 is the one that is going to protect the top and the bottom both. It's your sandwich. It's the one that holds it all together. So that middle layer is key. So that's why you need 3. Layer number 1 broke down by the body. Layer number 2 holds it all together. Layer number 3 can get broken down by the environment. So those 3 put together are going to give you your long wearing lip color. Let's put on a color today. We're going to put on Heartbreaker Lip Sense. Now this first layer can get broken down by my body's pH. Okay, so, and it's kind of thin and it's splotchy, so it doesn't really go on very even either. That's a lot of reasons why some people will just do 2 layers, because they feel like, okay, that's good because it is going to cover in some of that splotchiness and maybe it's not as dark. They prefer like a lighter color. And so they just do 2, which is fine. You can just do 2. If you really want your color to have that magical long wearingness, 3 is the key. So there's layer 2. Now there's my sandwich layer. My sandwich layer is what's going to hold it all together. Layer 3. So layer 3 is going to get broke down by what? Do you remember? The environment, food, coffee, water, saliva, anything that your lips are going to touch, that is going to get broken down from the environment. The next layer of protection is going to be your gloss. So make sure that you seal your color with the gloss. I'm going to use limited edition papaya today because I'm feeling some corals and blues today. See, I got my cobalt blue mascara on today. Super fun. There we go. So now my color is protected from the environment by the gloss too. I've got the hydration and moisture from the gloss. I've got my 3 layers. I'm protected from it breaking down from my body and protected from it breaking down by the environment. And now my lip color should last me all day long. Isn't that great? So lip tip number 2, you really need 3 layers. You do, if you want it to last. You can just do a couple layers, but it won't last as long, which is fine. You do you, what works for you. If you want it to last, 3 layers is the key. Maybe you need a different color, like a lighter color if it's too dark for you. Then talk to me about that and I can help you pick out one that works for you, okay? That'll make you happy. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you guys very much. Please be sure to go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.